What's up, Emily here. So today we're going to talk about the push-up. And first, what I want to tell you before we even start is please do not do push-up on your knees, okay? When you do a real push-up on the floor, you need a lot of core strength. And you're not going to get a lot of core strength by doing push-ups on your knees, okay? So we're going to start with the elevated push-up. Whether that's on a wall, that is perfectly fine. That might be looking like this, like if this was your wall here. You go forward, come up. Make sure you have full range of motion. Those elbows should not go straight out. That's also a common mistake. They should be slightly down by your side. So never up here. That can cause shoulder problems over time. They should always be a little bit angled down before you go to do your push-up on whatever elevation you're using. So now I'm going to lower my push-up. And if you are starting at the wall or maybe higher than this, that's where your form looks really good, you're not going to go down this far this soon. It's going to take a few weeks, and every week or so you're going to maybe lower it an inch or two until you work down to the floor. So now I've lowered it, but I just want you to see that the form is the same. My body stays in a straight line, glutes are tight, come down to the bar, and then come up. Notice that my hips are not hiked up. I'm not going this way. That is not a push-up. If you're doing that, you simply need to increase your elevation, okay? Now, once we make it down to the floor, and again, I have a long ways to go to make it down to the floor here, but I'm just going to show you what it looks like. You're going to go down to the ground, body in a straight line, full range of motion. Look at that again, full range of motion. Okay, so when I say the full range of motion, either my chest, chin, or nose is going to be touching the ground. And if you're not there yet, then you need to raise up an elevation that you can do your push-up on. Okay, so body in a straight line, glutes tight. You don't want to feel anything in your lower back. And if you're just not there yet, go ahead and raise it up on an elevation. Again, keeping those elbows slightly angled down towards your side. All right, so no more knee push-ups. I want you to work on it this way. It's going to take you further, faster, gain strength, and everything you want in the perfect push-up.